I just wanted to quickly talk about debugging your program. So debugging is when you have an error in the code that you've written and your program is angry at you and your computer is mad because it can't compile it for you. So just for example, if I try to run this program right now, it will not work because something's funky. And I get this detailed explanation of what is causing the issue of my program. And if you are not seeing this, you want to make sure that up above your green arrow, I think debug works better. Switch it to debug. And if you're seeing this, just click this little tab and go over to your error list. And it'll give you a more specific breakdown of what might be causing the problem in your program. Maybe make sure that is selected and this is selected as well. So all I have to do is, if I have this problem pop up, is I can just double click this and it'll take me to my code, and this says at line 34 there is a semicolon that is expected. And sure enough, on my line 34 I don't have a semicolon. So if I put it there, my program should run just as normal. There's some other common issues, like for example, if you had like a label and this label was called LBL test, and if you tried to set the text of that label to be something, obviously this is not right, but if I thought it was right and I was going all along and I run my program, here it says line 35, the name does not exist in the current context. Okay, what does that mean? So I double click it. I look at my line 35. I know that something is wrong with this line of text. What could it be? All right, anytime I'm using text, I'm creating letters, a string of letters and numbers and spaces and all that stuff. So I need to have the quotations. So just kind of a helpful tool to hopefully solve some pretty simple issues that you're running across. And it's totally normal. You're probably going to always forget simple things, and hopefully with more understanding of the error descriptions, it's pretty easy to pick up and fix. So useful information to know.